Your buttercream can have the right ingredients and still come out heavy, greasy, or grainy. This buttercream is perfect for vanilla sponge and red velvet cakes, and the secret isn't just the ingredient, it's how you build the texture. Start by weighing our icing sugar, which gives the buttercream its sweetness and structure, and because it's finely ground, it helps us achieve the smooth, lump-free finish. Next, we weigh our milk, which helps loosen the buttercream and gives it softer, creamier consistency and make it easier to spread. Now, our vanilla powder, which adds a beautiful aroma and flavor. And finally, little salt, which balances the sweetness and helps bring all the flavors together. Now, let's get our butter. We are using unsalted butter because it gives us a better control over the amount of salt in our recipe. Start by beating the butter on its own. Don't rush this step. This is one of the most important stages of making a smooth buttercream. We want to properly soften and aerate the butter, so keep beating until it becomes very smooth, light and creamy. Look at the pile, soft, smooth and creamy texture. At this point, it's time to add the icing sugar. Now, add the icing sugar gradually in batches. I like to add it in 2 batches, mixing well after each addition. Scrub down the sides and bottom to make sure everything is uniformly incorporated. Then, add our vanilla powder and salt and continue mixing. Keep mixing until everything is fully incorporated and the buttercream becomes smooth, creamy and completely lump-free. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy homemade recipes. Now, for the final step, our milk. Add it slowly in a thin stream while mixing. Don't add everything at once. Add a little, mix, then a little more until you reach that beautiful, creamy consistency. I know I don't have to say this, but this is really amazing. Look at that texture. So smooth, creamy, and silky. Transfer it into a clean container and it's ready to use. Perfect for vanilla sponge, red velvet cakes, cupcakes, and more. For more easy homemade restaurant-style recipes, check out my playlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet in the next one, peace out. Bon appetit.